Hi everybody, welcome back to the Teco YouTube channel. Today we're going to be having a look at how we're going to install a gas cooler outlet temperature, and we're going to show you how to install it on the pipe correctly. Okay, so to install the gas cooler outlet temperature sensor, we need to have it around about 1 meter away from the gas cooler outlet. We need to make sure it's on the horizontal position, and then specifically we need to make sure that we've got some heat conductive paste on there. And then because this pipe is 7/8, we're going to attach it at around about 2 o'clock. Okay, so I'm applying the heat conductive paste onto the pipe, and then we're going to put it around about 2 o'clock. And then we'll use our copper clamp to make sure that the copper pipe is nice and tight with our copper strap. Just like that. You can tighten the copper pipe onto the pipe at 2 o'clock. Once that is tight, then we'll just make sure that we wrap the rest of it around like that. And now what we need to do is just put some insulation over the sensor to make sure that it's protected from the sun and the elements, and that the sensor can pick up the correct temperature. We cut the insulation, and then we'll put some glue in it, and then let the glue dry a little bit before we actually stick it both together. So once the glue is dry, then we'll apply some aluminium tape around the whole piece of Armorflex, just to give that added bit of protection against the elements.